Pacific golden plover is a popular and regular winter migratory bird in Taiwan. While they arrive to wetland in August, it's not a breeding season. Their feathers will be replaced by breeding feathers in May next year, then leave. In summer, there are still a few individuals resident in Taiwan. The breeding season is from May to July and will breed in the tundra near Asia and the Arctic Circle of Alaska, about 4 eggs a nest, and the parent shell hatching job about 25 to 30 days. The chicks are early maturity. They can walk while the feathers are dry. In the first week of hatching, the female is responsible for keeping the chicks warm. The male is responsible for secure nearby. During the breeding period, the male bird will make a torpedo attack behavior to the other birds. When the chicks hatch it, the parent will throw the eggshells far away to avoid the predator's attention. While the predator approaching on ground, the parent will also make an injury-feigning behavior to lure dangers away from nest.